Hello viewers, I welcome you once again and thank you for visiting my channel, The Tarotpreneur. So today we are going to meet the pages. So what pages indicates brings to our life is that they are usually young children, or they may turn out to be an adult who is emotionally immature. So they pertain to the beginning of the messages as well, like some sort of indicative or some sort of news which comes to, it depends upon the type of suit, so that we will talk about. In any situation given, it also indicates that there is a need to look into the matter, and or look into the for the changes what it can be done. This also indicates that there is a opportunity nearby exists, or there is a solution to the problem which someone is looking for is very nearby. It exists, and sometimes it also takes the calculated risk. So this is also known as a risk taker. So with that, let's look at what the Page of Wands indicates for our life. So this indicates that this page always seeks for a new direction, for a self growth. Is very open. It brings a news about the spirituality or the work mostly. It is bit hot tempered. It's sensitive. It is emotional. It has one tendency that it begins a project but it does not finish that. So this might be this also has a possibility of taking over the projects from other people, the works from other people. There is a new relationship which comes into the life. It also discovers some spiritual peace, could be a bliss, and it might even pursue it. So this also says that free yourself from the restrictions and have a higher vision as this person is looking up, and the restrictions which are imposed, please leave that all and look beyond beyond the situation. On the other hand, the Page of Cups, this indicates that it is be open for the new relationship. It gives messages from the intuitions, like listen to your heart, and it is emotionally dependent. Yes, it's completely emotionally, anything this person does from the emotions. It works behind the scenes. Okay, it's focused on the expansions. It brings a new beginning. It also provides spiritual direction. And the finances, yes, it is going in an upswing. It is like finding yourself at a place, at a right place at a right time. So that's what the Page of Cups is. The Page of Swords is, as the swords represents, it always seeks for the justice. It also releases the heavy thoughts. It's like it also takes a risk with the communication, because it wants to be very clear. Sometimes thoughtless, and it also cut through the thoughts to get clarity, or assertive. It is outspoken. It is active. It has a curious mind. But it only says that in the situations, do not lose your temper, and there possibility of the disagreement in the relationship on the major points, not on the minor points. On the Queen of Swords, there could be a possibility of minor differences in relationship, but here it is the major ones. And this also indicates that the help of expert is important. It is required, and this person is a very powerful thinker as well. And the Page of Pentacle. So Page of Pentacle, it always looks for the knowledge, the new skills, the new experiences. It also take risks for money, could be some sort of investments. It also takes certain physical risks. It is also a student, so it is like a fool. He's an perpetual beginner. It indicates the finances, the idealism, or the education are the priority in life for that person. It also brings, of course, the good news about the money, the messages, the deal of the property or signing of the contracts. So anything in the real world, this Page of Pentacle represents. So with this, we have come to the end of this series of knowing tarot cards and what they indicates, what each of the suits, each of the cards indicates into our life. So I will announce a new series very soon, and we'll see. I'm not sure what it would be, but it would be again a series of something like this. So that announcement will come to all of you very soon. So till then, stay tuned and hope to see you again. Thank you so much.